In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in updated QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be ready to start tracking your business finances with confidence without getting stuck on setup screens or confusing choices. First, head to the official QuickBooks Online website. On the homepage, you'll see options like Start Free Trial or Buy Now. The trial is great if you want to explore before committing, and Buy Now makes sense if you already know which plan you want. Either way, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an Intuit account if you don't already have one. Next, enter your details. Type in the email address you want associated with your QuickBooks account. Create a strong password and add a phone number if it's requested for verification and account recovery. Keep access to that email handy because you may be sent a confirmation code. When everything looks good, click Create Account to continue. Now choose the plan that fits your needs. Simple Start covers the basics, like income and expense tracking and invoicing. Essentials adds bill management and time tracking for teams that need a bit more control, plus includes inventory and project tracking, which is ideal if you sell products or need job costing. Advanced is designed for larger businesses that want deeper reporting, automation, and more users. If you're just getting started, Simple Start is often enough and you can upgrade later as your business grows. You'll then be asked for your business information. Enter your business name as you want it to appear on invoices and customer communications. Pick your industry so QuickBooks can tailor recommended settings and accounts. Select your business type, such as sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation, to align with tax and reporting needs. If tax details are applicable to you, add them here as well. When you're done, click Continue. To wrap up, QuickBooks will guide you through the initial setup. You can connect your bank account to automatically import transactions. This is a secure read-only connection that saves time on data entry. You'll have the option to add your first customer or vendor, which makes it easy to test an invoice or a bill right away. You can also review your chart of accounts, which is the list of categories used to organize your money in and out. QuickBooks provides sensible defaults based on your industry, so you can accept the suggestions now and fine-tune them later. If you're short on time, you can skip these setup items and return to them anytime from the banking, sales, expenses, and accounting sections. That's it. Your QuickBooks Online account is created and ready to go. Take a moment to explore and build from there at your own pace.